Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by charging the phone to a full 100% using the original charger. This ensures the battery reports a true full cell. Once done, turn off auto-sync, Bluetooth, and location so no background drain skews results. Make sure you remove any case that traps heat because temperature affects calibration. Begin with a single uninterrupted full charge and do not unplug during quick top-ups. This first step establishes the baseline the system will reference. Now you'll drain the battery fully by using the phone until it powers off automatically. This forces the battery meter toward true zero. After it shuts down, wait 1 to 2 hours so the voltage stabilizes and residual charge dissipates. Then plug it in and charge uninterrupted back to 100%. Avoid fast charge adapters if possible because consistent current gives a cleaner reading. This deep discharge and full recharge realigns the system's state of charge estimation with the battery. After a full charge, boot your phone and let it idle for 10 to 15 minutes so the system refreshes its battery stats files. This completes the calibration sequence. If you still see wild percentage swings greater than about 5%, repeat the full discharge and charge cycle once more to confirm consistency. If readings remain unstable, run a battery health app or consult service. Sometimes cell degradation or a faulty battery sensor, not calibration, causes persistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.